Very good afternoon, children. Today I am going to give you the answers for the previous question. I have given you total 6 questions to solve. The first question is HNO3 plus S gives rise to H2SO4 plus NO2 plus H2O. First, what we have to do? We have to identify whether it is balanced or not. Here hydrogens are 1, here 2 plus 4. So it is unbalanced equation. It is unbalanced equation. So to balance it, what we have to do? First we have to identify the elements. So let us consider what are the elements present. Hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen and sulfur. How many they are present on reactant side? And how many they are present on product side, we will see. Hydrogens on reactant side 1, product side 2 plus 2 4. Next nitrogens 1, product side 1, oxygens 3. Here 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. And sulfur here 1, here also 1. So here you see what are balanced. Nitrogen and sulfur are balanced. Hydrogen and oxygens are not balanced. So first to balance, I will write HNO3 plus S gives rise to H2SO4 plus NO2 plus H2O. So first I will try to balance hydrogens. Suppose here 4, if I write 4 HNO3 plus S gives rise to H2SO4 plus NO2 plus H2O. So hydrogen is balanced. Now I have to check all these, whether reactant side and product sides are balanced or not. Once again I will be checking. 4 hydrogens on reactant side and 4 hydrogens on product side. Nitrogens here 4 but here 1. Oxygens 4 3s are 12 and here 4 plus 2 6 1 7. And sulfurs here it is 1 and here also 1. Now what happened? Here nitrogens are changed. Let us balance nitrogens on reactant side. (4NO2) plus H2O I have done. Again I have to check whether it is balanced or not. So now 4 hydrogens on reactant side and 4 hydrogens on product side. Nitrogens 4 and here 4. Oxygens 4 3s are 12. Hydrogens 4 2s are 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13. Sulfur 1 sulfur. Here 1 sulfur. So what is not balanced now? Oxygen. Here you see you got one even number and one odd number. How to balance this one even and one odd? That is most important. Now suppose if I try to balance like this, 4 HNO3 plus S gives rise to H2SO4 plus 4NO2 plus 2H2O. Let us consider like that. Now you check it whether it is there or not. 4 hydrogens multiplying this total with 4 2 2s are 4 plus 2 6 and here not getting. So what, when even and odd came here, I have said you try multiplying with the total with sum. 2 4 2s are 8. 2. 2. 4 2s are 8. And now you balance whether it is balanced or not. You check whether it is balanced or not. 8 hydrogens, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. 8 hydrogens are balanced. 8 nitrogens, 8 nitrogens. Oxygens you see, 8 3s are 24. Here 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 24. Here 26 they are coming. If I remove this 2, and now you see 8 3s are 24, 4 2s are 8, 32, 4 2s are 8 plus 2 6, 8 plus 16 24, but 25 are getting. So I have to keep at any cost. 26 I have got. Next what is left? You see here sulfurs. 2 sulfur and here also 2. Now what I can do? That is important. In what way we can reduce? Still any more chances? Here it is 24 and here it is 26. 2 or more that side. How to reduce that? That is also important. Shall I go again with the multiplying? 2. This is 24 and that is 26. If I want to reduce 2 there, how I can reduce 2? That is important. So, suppose if I remove this 2, whether I am getting or not, we will see now. 8 2s are 16, 24 plus 1 only I am getting. I am not getting. Then what to do? How we can balance this? Still any more chances? All I have got even numbers. Next what I have to do? Again you cross check. 8 hydrogens here, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 8 we got it. Okay. Then next what I have to do? That is important now. So what is the way we can do? So rather than going for 2, so what we will do? We won't touch this. We want to go with here our technique. What is our technique? We will see now. So 4 3s are 12 is there, and here 4 2s are 8, 4 12 113 is there. How to balance this? This is most important. 12 and 13. So let us multiply this total with what we can do. That we will see. 4HNO3 plus S gives rise to H2SO4 plus 4NO2 plus 2H2O. Now you see how 4, here 4 are there, here 4 hydrogens are there, but here 6 came. Next, here nitrogens you see, 4 nitrogens, 4 nitrogens, 4 3s are 12, here 4 2s are 8 plus 4 12 plus 2 14. Okay, 14 nitrogens came. Next what happened? Sulfur, here 1, here 1. Now you see here 2 hydrogens. Here 2 hydrogens are more on product side and 2 hydrogens are less. 6. Okay, now you see what is going to happen. 6 hydrogens, and here 2 2s are 4 plus 2, 6 hydrogens here. Next, nitrogens, 6 nitrogens, but here only 4 nitrogens. Next, oxygen, 6 3s are 18 came. Here 4 plus 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 12, 12 plus 2, 16 came. 2 8 10. See here 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 4 14 only now. Here you see 4 2s are 8, 8 4 12 plus 2 14, that's all. Sulfur you see now, 1 sulfur and 1 sulfur. Now what happened? Here sulfurs are 6, but here only 4. Let us take here, we will make it as 6 sulfurs. So here also it will become 6. But here 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4, 16 to 18. Now it is balanced. You can check it now. 6 HNO3 plus S gives rise to H2SO4 plus 6 NO2 plus 2 H2O. You can check it. 6 hydrogens, 2 2s are 4 plus 2, 6 hydrogens. Nitrogens 6, here also 6. Next, oxygen, 6 3s are 18. 4 plus 6 2s are 12 plus 4, 16 to 18. Sulfur 1. So the balanced equation is what? This is the balanced equation. 6HNO3 plus S gives rise to H2SO4 plus 6NO2 plus 2H2O is the answer. Now the second equation, Cr207 plus HCl gives rise to KCl, CrCl3, H2O, Cl2. Here 2, here 1. So it is an unbalanced equation. It is unbalanced chemical equation. Next, what we have to do? First of all, you identify the elements. What are the elements? Potassium, chromium, oxygen, hydrogen and chlorine. So what are present on reactant side? How many number they are present and how many number they are present on product side and reactant side? Number of atoms. So here 2 and here it is 1 and chromium 2 and here it is 1. Oxygen 7, here 1. And hydrogen 1 and here 2. Chlorine here 1. Here how many chlorines? 2. So now how to balance? First this we will see. Here 2 are there. First chromium is highest. So I will go for that. So K2 Cr2O7 plus HCl gives rise to KCl plus CrCl3 plus H2O plus Cl2. First, chromium, highest atomic number. So 2CrCl3 plus H2O plus Cl2. Now first what I will do? I will check whether I have done right or not. Potassium 2 and here it is 1 only. Chromium 2 and here it is balanced. Oxygen this side 7 and this side it is 1 only. And hydrogen this side it is 1 and this side it is 2. Chlorine here product reactant side 1 and here chlorine 3 to the 6 plus 2. 2, 8 plus 9 we have got. Next, what is the next? potassium have to balance. K2Cr2O7 plus HCl gives rise to 2KCl plus 2Cr3Cl3 plus H2O plus Cl. Now again I will check whether the reactant and products are balanced or not. Potassium 2, here 2, chromium 2, here 2, oxygens, the reactant side 7, product side how many are there? Only 1. And next hydrogens, reactant side 1, product side 2. Next chlorines, reactant side 1, product side 2, 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10. So how I can balance this now? See here, these are the things. So first in hydrogen and chlorine, first we will go for what? Highest number is for chlorine. Okay, so chlorine balancing I will take K2Cr2O7 plus here 10, no? So I will write here 10 HCl gives rise to 2KCl plus 2CrCl3 plus H2O plus Cl2. So first again I have to balance the reactant and product side. So once we will check it. Potassium 2 on reactant side, product side also 2. Chromium 2 and here also 2. Oxygens, here it is 7 and here it is 1. Okay. Next hydrogens, you see here it is 10 and here it is 2. And next chlorine, here how many came? 10. And this side it came how many? 2, 3 2 is 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10. Now what is left with? Oxygen and hydrogen. See here 7 and here 1. So I can write it as K2Cr2O7 plus 10 HCl gives rise to 2KCl plus 2Cr3Cl3 plus 7H2O plus Cl. Now again I have to check the reactant and product side. Potassium 2, 2. Okay, 2, 2. Chromiums here, reactant side 2 and product side also 2. Oxygens 7 and here 7. Hydrogens 10 and here 14. And chlorines 10 and here 2, 3 2 is 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10. Everything is balanced, but hydrogen is left again. How we will balance? I am writing here. Once I will check whether it is visible to you or not. Okay. Now here you see 10. I have written, but here 14. Let us make it as 14, and we will check it. 2 2 balance. Chromium 2 and here also 2. Oxygens 7 and here also 7. Hydrogens 14. 7 2 is 14. Chromium, now chlorine. Here 14 came, but here 2 plus 6. 6 plus 2, 8 to 10 only. Still 4 are left. How you will get 4 there? By multiplying with 3. Suppose if I get 3 3Cl2 means 6 plus 6 12 to 14. So the answer is what? K2Cr2O7 plus 14 HCl gives rise to 2KCl plus 2Cl3 plus 7H2O plus 3Cl2. Okay, plus 3Cl2. That is the answer. Balanced equation. Now the third equation, that is Ca3PO4 taken by the 6SiO2 2C gives rise to 6CaSiO3 plus P4 plus Cu. Now here you see here Ca3 but there 6, so it is unbalanced. It is unbalanced chemical equation. It is unbalanced chemical equation. Next, what I have to do, first you have to identify the elements. What are the elements? Calcium, phosphorus, oxygen, silicon, again oxygen, written already, carbon. Next what? How many are reactant side? Number of atoms on reactant side and number of atoms on product side, that we have to identify. Okay, that we will see. So calcium, here 3 are present and here 6 are present, and phosphorus here 2 and here 4. Oxygens 4 2s are 8, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 8, 4 2s are 8, 6 2s are 12, 20, and here 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19. Silicons, here we have 6, here also we have 6. Carbons, here we have 2, there we have 1. So in this first, which one is having the highest atomic number? Silicon, balanced one. Next, what we have to do for calcium? 20. So calcium here 3, here 6 means we have to multiply this with 2. So 2Ca3PO4 taken twice plus 6SiO2 give plus 2C gives rise to 6CaSiO3 plus P4 plus Cu. Now again I have to check whether the reactant side and product side is balanced or not. 2 3s are 6 reactant side and 6 product side. Phosphorus 1 into 2 2 2s are 4 and here 4, it is also balanced. Next, oxygen 4 2s are 8, 8 into 2 16, 16 plus 6 2s are 12, 28. Okay, 12 plus 16, 28. But here 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19 only. And silicon you see 6 are here and 6 are here. Calcium here 2, there 1. Now how to balance this? That is important. Okay, here you see how you got 6, everything is balanced. But here it is 28 and here. So what I will do? 2Ca3PO4 taken twice plus 6SiO2 plus C gives rise to 6CaSiO3 plus P4 plus here 28 it came. Okay, here it is 18, means 10CO I will write. Okay, 10CO and here it will become 10C. Now we will see whether it is balanced or not. 2 3s are 6 calciums, 6 calciums. Phosphorus 1 into 2, 2 2s are 4, and here 4. Oxygen 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 2 28. Now here 6 3s are 18 plus 10 28. Silicons 6 and 6. Carbons 10 carbons, and this side 10 carbons. So it is balanced. So this is the answer. What is the answer? 2Ca3PO4 taken twice plus 6 SiO2 plus 10C gives rise to 6CaSiO3 plus P4 plus 10 CO. That you have to write. Then it will be easy. All this balancing depends upon your logical thinking. Okay, even number and odd number logic. The next equation, KMnO4 plus SO2 plus H2O gives rise to K2SO4 plus MnSO4 plus H2SO4. So now what we have to do, first whether it is balanced or not, we have to check it. Here 1K is there, here 2K is there. So it is unbalanced equation. It is unbalanced chemical equation. Now next what I have to do, I have to identify the element first. What are the elements? Potassium, manganese, oxygen, sulfur, again oxygen not required, hydrogen. Now reactant side how many are there, and product side how many are there, I have to identify first. Okay, potassium 1 and there 2, manganese here 1, here 1, oxygen 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7, reactant side, product side 4 plus 4 8, 8 4 12, sulfur 1, here 1 2 3, and here you see hydrogens 2, reactant side, there also 2. So first what we have to do, potassium is not balanced. Okay, first we balance this 2KMnO4 plus SO2 plus H2O gives rise to K2SO4 plus MnSO4 plus H2SO4. Now you check the reactant side and product side. 2K K2, manganese 2, but here 1, oxygen 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11, here 4 plus 4 8, 8 4 12, sulfur here 1, here 1 2 3, hydrogens 2, here also 2. Now manganese is not balanced, so 2KMnO4 plus SO2 plus H2O gives rise to K2SO4 plus 2MnSO4 plus H2SO4. You can check it. Okay. Now again we have to balance this. How many are there? That you check it. 2, 2. Next manganese 2, 2. Oxygens 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11. And here 4 2s are 8 plus 4 12 plus 4 16. And sulfur here you see 1. But this side 1 2 3 plus 1 4 it came. And here hydrogens you see it is 2. Here also 2. Now what is not balanced? Sulfur and oxygens. Both are not balanced. Let us take it as 4. 2 KMnO4 plus 4SO2 plus H2O gives rise to K2SO4 plus 2MnSO4 plus H2SO4. Okay. Now you try to balance this. 2K, 2K. Manganese are 2 and here also 2. Oxygens, 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8, 16 plus 1, 17. And here 4 2s are 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 1, 16. And sulfur, 4. And here 2, 3, 4. Hydrogens, here 2. And here 2. So what is not balanced? One even and one odd. Suppose if I increase here 5 and here, where, let us take here, we will write 2 and here 2. Whether it is balanced or not, we will change it. 2K, 2K. Okay. Mn here 2, here 2. Oxygens now. 2 4s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 18, 2 1s are 2, 20. And here 4 2s are 8, 4 12, 4 2s are 8, 8 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 16 4, 20. Oxygens are balanced. Next is sulfur. Here 5. 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5. Hydrogens. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. So this is the balanced equation. 2 KMnO4 plus 5S2O plus 2H2O gives rise to K2SO4 plus 2MnSO4 plus 2H2SO4. So this is the balanced chemical equation. Now we will be discussing about the fifth equation, that is KMnO4 plus FeSO4 gives rise to H2SO4 gives rise to K2SO4 MnSO4 plus Fe2SO4 taken rise and H2O. So first it is unbalanced equation. It is unbalanced chemical equation. Why we are saying it is an unbalanced chemical equation? Here potassium are 1 and here it is 2. If even one element is also not balanced, it means it is an unbalanced chemical equation. Now first we have to identify what are the elements present. So potassium, manganese, oxygen, ferrous, sulfur and hydrogen. And on reactant side how many atoms are present, and on product side how many atoms are present, we will write it. Reactant side 1 and the product side 2 potassium. Manganese 1 and here 1. And iron here 1 and there 2. And sulfur 1, 2. And this side 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. And hydrogens. Sorry, we have forgot about oxygens. 4, 4, 4, 8, 8, 4, 12. And here 4, 4, 4, 8. 8 plus 12, 20, 21. Next, hydrogens. 2. And this side also 2. So first, what is that? Manganese is balanced. Next, ferrous we have to balance. And Next, potassium. So easy number techniques we will use. So directly I can write 2KMnO4 plus FeSO4 plus H2SO4 gives rise to K2SO4 plus MnSO4 plus Fe2SO4 taken thrice plus H2O. Now again this reactants and product side we will have to write it. How many? Potassiums are 2, reactant side and product side also 2. Manganese are 2. Here it is 1 only. So let us balance it here directly. Why to waste again? Directly means I can write the second step like this: 2KMnO4 plus FeSO4 plus H2SO4 gives rise to K2SO4 plus 2MnSO4 plus Fe2SO4 taken thrice plus H2O. Okay, so that is the case. So 2 manganese and 2 manganese are balanced. Next, oxygen. 4 2s are 8 plus 4 plus 4. Total how much? 4 4 8 8 is 16. I have got this side. And this side 4 4 2s are 8 plus 4 3s are 12 plus 1. 12 plus 8 20 25. Next, iron. Here 1 and here it is 2. So let us take it as clearly 2KMnO4 plus 2FeSO4 plus H2SO4 gives rise to K2SO4 plus 2MnSO4 plus Fe2SO4 taken thrice plus H2. Now we will balance potassiums and that are clear. Oxygens we have to see 8 plus 8 16 for 20 oxygens you have got this side. Next here 4 2s are 8 plus 4 12 12 to 24 125 oxygens you have got. And iron, here how many irons? 2 irons, and here also 2 irons. Sulfur how many here? 2 plus 1 3, and here how many? 2 plus 1 3 plus 3 6. Next, hydrogens how many are there here? 2, and there also 2. Now you see oxygen one number is even and one number is odd, and here sulfurs. So these two are the differences there. Then how to overcome this? So first sulfurs how many are there here? You see here 3 and here 6. Here already 2 are there. So we will disturb this 4. So 2KMnO4 plus 2FeSO4 plus 4H2SO4 gives rise to K2SO4 plus 2MnSO4 plus Fe2SO4 taken thrice plus here you see 4 2s are 8 means 4H2O I am writing, and once we will check it out whether it is balanced or not. Potassiums 2 on reactant side and on product side also 2. Manganese 2 and product side also 2. Oxygens 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 16, 16, 16, 32 oxygens. And here 4 2s are 8, 12, 12 to 24, 24 plus 4, 28 oxygens. 4 or less. Okay, right, we will take it. Next, Iron, here 2 iron and here also 2 iron. Sulfur, 2 plus 4 6, and this side 3 plus 2 5 1 6. It is balanced. Now hydrogens, 4 to the 8, and here 4 to the 8. Now what is not balanced? 4 oxygens you need. Okay. If you take 4 oxygens, then it is clear. Then how to write these 4 oxygens, that is important for us. Okay. How we can? 4 oxygens you have to write. Suppose if I make it 3, again here 3 cannot be done. Let us take here 8H2O directly. Then what will happen? If it is 8 there, means how many I have to get? 16. Means let us take here 8. Okay, 8 to just 16. Now you make it clear once whether it is going to come or not. We will check it. 2 potassiums, 2 potassiums. Next, manganese are 2, this side and this side also 2. Oxygens, 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8, 16. 16 plus 8 4 to the 32. 16 plus 32, 48. And here 4 to the 8, 8 4 12, 12 24 plus 8 32. Still 4 is balanced. Next, iron, 2 irons here, there also 2. Sulfur, now here 2 plus 8 10, but here how many? 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1 6 only, and hydrogens 8 to the 16, 8 to the 16. Now what is the difference? Sulfur, this side it is 10 is there, but this side there is only 6. Then how we can? 6 means what I can do? I have to write here, let us take here 5. Make it there as 5 FeS2O4. Again we have to balance this. Now 2K, 2K. Next what came? Manganese 2, 2. Oxygens now here, but they are 10. Let us take here directly 10. Okay. Now you see oxygens 2 4s are 8 plus 10 4s are 14 plus 8 4s are 32. Total how many? 72 plus 8. It is 80. 80 oxygens are this side. Next, this side how many are there? 4. So you can check it very clearly. See, first thing is balancing. This is the balanced equation. 2KMNO4 plus 10FeSO4 plus 8H2SO4 gives rise to K2SO4 plus 2MnSO4 plus 5Fe2SO4 taken rise plus 8H2O. This is the last equation. NaOH plus H2SO4 gives rise to Na2SO4 plus H2O. How we have to balance? First, Na here 2. So it is unbalanced equation. It is unbalanced chemical equation. So first elements you have to identify. What are the elements? Sodium, oxygen, hydrogen and sulfur. How many they are present on reactant side and how many they are present on product side, we have to see. Sodium 1 and here 2. Oxygens 4 plus 1 5. Here 4 plus 1 5. Hydrogens here 3 and here it is 2 only. Next sulfurs, here one and here one. So now first I will manage this 2NaOH plus H2SO4 gives rise to Na2SO4 plus H2O. First I will write this balanced equation. While here 1 and here 2, let us make it as 2. Now again I have to count the number of reactants and product sides. 2 sodiums, 2 sodiums. Oxygens 2 plus 4, 6. Here 4, only 1 is present. Let us take it as 2 again. Okay, in the next step I will write it 2NaOH plus H2SO4 gives rise to Na2SO4 plus 2H2O. Let us make it. Means 2 plus 4, 6. Now it is balanced. Hydrogens 2 plus 2, 4. Here 2 to the 4. Sulfur 1 and 1. So this is the balanced chemical equation. 2NaOH plus H2SO4 gives rise to Na2SO4 plus 2H2. So these are the 6 problems which I have assigned to you as an assignment. You can cross check the answers. If you have any doubt, you can call me on WhatsApp.